How do I merge data from multiple devices using the same Apple ID?
In this video, we will walk you through the process of merging data from multiple devices using the same Apple ID. This can be helpful when you want to sync information from different devices, like an iPhone and iPad, to ensure that your data is consistent across platforms.
What is an Apple ID?
An Apple ID is your personal account used to access Apple services such as the App Store, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. By using the same Apple ID on multiple devices, you can sync your data and access your content from any of your devices.
How do I check if my devices are using the same Apple ID?
1. For iPhone and iPad, go to Settings your name Apple ID. Check if the email address matches on all devices. 2. For Mac, go to System Preferences, Apple ID. Confirm that the email address is the same across devices.
How do I merge data using iCloud?
iCloud is Apple's cloud storage service that allows you to sync your data across devices. Follow these steps to merge data using iCloud. Step 1. Enable iCloud on all devices. 1. For iPhone and iPad, go to Settings your name iCloud. Toggle on the services you want to sync, like contacts, calendars, reminders, etc. 2. For Mac, go to System Preferences, Apple ID iCloud. Check the boxes next to the services you want to sync. Step 2. Ensure all devices are connected to Wi-Fi. Make sure all devices are connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is necessary for syncing data between devices. Step 3. Wait for syncing to complete. iCloud will now automatically sync your data between devices. This process may take some time, depending on the amount of data and the speed of your internet connection.
How do I merge data using iTunes or Finder?
If you prefer not to use iCloud, you can also merge data using iTunes for Windows or macOS Mojave and earlier, or Finder for macOS Catalina and later. Here's how. Step 1. Connect your devices to your computer. Use a USB cable to connect each device to your computer one at a time. Step 2. Sync data using iTunes or Finder. 1. For iTunes, open iTunes and click on the device icon. Choose the content you want to sync, like music, movies, or books, and click Sync or Apply. 2. For Finder, open Finder and click on your device under Locations. Choose the content you want to sync and click Apply. Step 3. Safely disconnect your devices. Once the syncing process is complete, you can safely disconnect your devices from your computer. By following these steps, you can successfully merge data from multiple devices using the same Apple ID. This ensures that your information is consistent and up to date across all your devices.